the video. Today we got another Father's Day weekend 20% off coupon. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Yes guys, we're here at the Harbor Freights. If you guys remember my video from last week, I did do 5 tools or 5 items you guys could get with this coupon. Make sure you guys check that video out. I'll see if I can link it up above here, or leave it on the description section of this video up here. Just to let you guys know, this is the Father's Day huge sale. It says now Thursday, Sunday, June 20th. So I'm a little late, by the way, because I've been not the best in health. I just had a surgery about a few days back, a couple days. You got limited time off, or limited, my bad, limited time 20% off any single item. It says limit 1 per coupon per day. If you guys know that, what that means is a lot of guys, what they do is they buy the item, they walk out the store, and they go back in later, or take their wife or their kids with them, and obviously they get more items. So cannot be used with other discounts or any of the following brands: inside track club membership, extended service plan, credit card, open box item, instant savings, compressors, floor jacks, power station safes, storage cabinets, chest, carts. Well, pretty much all the stuff that you think that that they have, the best ones. But you know what, guys, if you guys go under the new tools here, there's a lot of new stuff or new brands that they are not mentioning here. That's where I got most of the stuff that you guys see down here. If you guys want to see a detailed video on this stuff, make sure you guys check that video out. It says enter coupon code 2139890 at checkout. So you have to give them this, either take a screenshot, take a picture on the computer, whatever you have to do. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to check out that video. It has a lot of information in there. There's other videos on my channel. I'll see if I can link those up above too, on the right here on the corner up here, so you guys will see those videos too. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for